so she feeling mad.
Food will literally get, it's gonna be organic.
Maybe it'll be holiday of the week time even.
Check out how this is.
So 21, take one, let's go.
Okay, sharp guys. Boomerang.
If your fucking phone rings. Alright, fucking give me a chance to shine.
Okay.
I like your top, bro.
Thanks, bro. It's a custom made. Wait! Guys, we missed you guys. I know you guys missed us, and we missed you guys as well. And we're back. Microwave Boys, episode 21. Hit it with it!
Wow. For the first time in many years, my boy out here is serving time.
Yes, I am.
Serving time outside.
Yeah.
The club.
Yeah, I'm not allowed to do it.
How do you feel, bro?
It's been
Yeah,
hard.
you were shaking yesterday when I was with you.
Yeah. I know you had to sit with me through it. It was like tough.
Sunday night, I had to sit with Larry. My boy was shaking. He hasn't been to the club the whole week.
First time in like 4
Can't
years.
sleep. He was drinking water. There was no tequila. I realized there's no coffee or tea in your house.
Nothing, man.
It's tap or nothing.
It reminds me of my house.
Orosnyana.
What's that other Oros that's not Oros?
Oh, I hate it. What is it called?
Holes!
No, Holes is delicious. What's up?
Huh?
Holes. I guess it's... Nah,
Bands, bro.
Holes is poverty devil.
Don't do this big holes, bro.
Holes
No, nigga, listen,
This is another one.
I'm a Mazoe drinker. Just by the way, Mazoe's better than Oros. I said it.
Whoa. And you're I was supporting you to the Mazoe. I love Mazoe
I said
too.
it. I just said it.
And then you said Mazoe is better than Oros.
Mazoe's better than Oros.
Ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to formally announce that this will be the last episode of Microwave Boys. It's been great having you with us. I cannot continue to work with a person who thinks Mazoe is better than Oros.
Mazoe's better than Oros. What's up?
So this is the last. You see these foreigners? I want to have a fun about my passport.
Mazoe is better than Oros. What's up?
Issuing these visas is just lost. The screening process has to tighten up. Gigaba, I'm watching you, dog.
Okay, guys, Vodacom Durban July just happened in the past 2 weeks that we went here, and it was his using. It was a bit boring for me. It was my first Vodacom Durban July.
What?
It was my first time.
Oh, okay, every time we just go to Durban in July.
Yeah, we go to Durban in July, and we go to all the parties, but we don't go to Durban July. You're right. Yeah, so it was very boring.
Isn't Durban July just like Durban July? Like,
yeah, that's exactly what it is.
I mean, I've heard rumors of horse racing. I myself have never seen a single horse. At the
which horse won? Can someone tell me which horse won?
Baba.
Anybody? Is there horses that have like weird ass names?
Tell you what the after party was.
can you buy awards just like
Awards?
buy like
A horse. A horse run. Horses run, not awards. Horses. Horses like horses.
Did you know the Durban July was about a horse racing? Oh, is this like this is
wait,
I know. What is it about?
no, I'm from Cape Town.
Okay, anyway, what I found out while I was at Vodacom Durban July, actually not then, is obviously there's that lady, what's her name? Zodwa Wabantu. And she's like this lady who like dances like this. Yo.
Apparently, to shake a leg like that in Vosho, she charges 25,000 rand.
What?
Larry, how much do you charge to go away on stage? Yeah, it's gonna be lit. Are you ready? I said, are you ready? I've seen you on the stage and I go,
Do you charge people to say that?
25,000.
25,000.
Yeah, then she comes
my
to your
nigga
party.
Nene every fucking weekend
My
in the
nigga.
club for free. And he goes in. My nigga pops locks and drops.
What up?
And I don't think he smelled 25k on the weekend.
No.
It's not fair.
25,000 rand.
Yeah. And she dances with the Savannah. You have to give her Savannah.
And something else that happened. Powerhouse. Turn the big 3-0.
Oh man. You know you want to do it. How would she invite you to a birthday? How would she invite
I'm
you?
never gonna get unblocked at this rate.
No.
I will never smell that.
How would she
But I
invite
heard they were serving Boma couscous. I saw that on the fucking menu and I fucking died. When I got a princess, turn the ballet, turn the super mega, red club bear, real late, 30th. Guys, how much you think the whole thing cost, dude?
Yo! It actually looked like a wedding, bro. Like legit.
I thought it was
It happened on the same day.
AK looked so stressed because I feel like he was thinking, but the wedding. The whole time you had the birthday. Thanks for coming. Thanks, no one. Happy to have you. But inside is going, oh. He's not turning down no bookings anytime soon now. Keep going, Super Mega. Keep going, baby.
Wow, man.
Ballet dancers. Where's ballet?
Jesus. And it's not even the black ones, it's like the white ones.
What did you say?
Oh, what was it?
Say it.
I did ballet in grade 1.
What? Oh no.
And then my dad was like, I was here to look at.
But basically, Kelly wore this dress at I don't know what award show.
Was it like 2 years ago or something like that?
Yeah, I don't know.
Yeah, something, yeah.
Which looked exactly like Bonang's. And I don't know, I think Kelly didn't get invited, of course. And she's beefing.
Of course, yeah. Definitely showcased, yeah.
Definitely showcased, didn't get invited.
Yeah, yeah.
100%, no doubt.
Yeah.
I feel like if you didn't go to Bonang's situation, and you didn't go to Minnie's situation, and somehow you're supposed to be, if your weekend was totally free.
Yeah.
I delete
If you're totally free the whole weekend,
maybe.
I don't know, celebrity Gwen. Especially the wedding. Hey, if you're not invited to someone's wedding, it's a bit sore.
Yeah.
I'm kind of letting you know that moving on with my life right now, I don't want you to be a part of it. That's what you do at a wedding. When you're getting married, it's a time to think about who do I want to move forward with in my life. If you're not invited to someone's wedding who you thought was your friend, they're saying,
I'm
leaving you
My
there.
friend in Cape Town got married.
Not your friend anymore. a former friend.
Yeah.
Well, Kelly posted and everyone, she said, deja vu.
I love that movie.
Kelly had deja vu about a dress. Very small thing. Eh? A dress. Deja vu. Can remember clearly. Dress. Clearly.
I can remember that one. Yeah.
She even went to find the picture. Hey,
Look how
kind of
good I
dress,
look.
you know what I'm saying?
Look at how good I look.
But unfortunately, Kelly is
There's some
dresses she can remember, but
want to remember some other things. How did you forget the faces? The whole faces. How did you forget the faces? I don't know. You saw them directly. I don't know. We don't.
that docket is still open. Eh?
Yeah, the world wants to know.
That docket is wide open.
We want to know.
Naman, just salute.
We want to know what happened.
So I'm just saying, if you
Deja
while
vu.
in the spirit of deja vu, I think maybe you can spend a little more time just
Deja vu some more.
take me back to that place.
More deja vu.
Take me back.
We need more deja vu.
You know, like again, docket open. We just want
So
to
lost.
fill in the blanks. So far, like
So
kids.
lost. He's not here. What do you think about, bro? What do you think about?
I'm being the ledge. Bangers are coming. She's doing sign language. Waka thinks but she's lit. But Waka thinks she's turning up.
Look at Waka. Oh, he's like, oh, she's super turned up. Hey, and she continues. Hey, trap.
But she's also going in also.
So she knows the lyrics. She knows the lyrics, dog. She's
But
doing
what kind of higher grade concert is this, guys? Until next time. You see
Oh,
the bar.
until the house. What's up? What up? Until what's up?
You see where the bar has been raised, guys. Next time, when Kevin going to Titombo, when? I need somebody.
You guys got that right, yeah.
Yo, I remember a homeboy at Mandela's funeral.
Yeah, I'm thinking exactly that.
This is the type of tender he's been waiting for. He's there at home going, finally, my time has come. My time has come. I'm sure he got a job at a call center. Obviously, nobody hired his black ass ever since that day. But he's all coming back now.
So, yeah.
Hey, you guys should get the home. He's ready. You know, he also does his own thing.
But there's nothing wrong working at a call center.
No, of course not. I keep saying that. Shout out to everybody who's helping us on the. Help us quick also, man. Hey, I'm going to make you high for tech, man.
Yo, man.
Hey.
First of all, shout out to Blac Chyna for just being herself. Blac Chyna was just Blac
I've
Chyna.
always known who the fuck she is.
She didn't do a
Everyone
goddamn
knows.
thing wrong. Blac Chyna was just Blac
But
Chyna.
also, like, you know, this whole family thing is so complicated. Like, Tiger was dating that one. And then she was dating that one. But Tiger has a baby with that one. And then it's like, it's so...
Yeah.
I hope I never make a woman this bitter in my life.
You joking?
Again, Larry.
This son of...
Yo, my nigga, what's up?
Fuck this guy.
Yo, please open the gate. The burgers are here.
What? Really?
Hamba netudla kukhala ifuba hamba netudla khala ifuba hamba net
Yeah, no, chef. Shout out.
Okay,
We're just having a little Burger King break. Swagger, what do you think about this new tender crisp bag?
It's tender and it's crisp.
Put volume there.
listen to the
Who
music.
put music?
Are they sleeping?
How is he not falling?
Listen to the music, bro.
Holy shit.
He's trying to pick up mattress.
You know, in these guys' minds, they're probably moving
He's trying to pick up mattress.
I just want to say that this video is not in slow motion. Except that guy's wearing like house slippers. They're sending him to go buy bread. They're still waiting for the bread at the cribbo. And then he's smoking nyauve. They're hungry as fuck at the house. Yo, use the bread money to buy nyauve. Come how casually there's the cookers. Everyone just like, hey, get tabang, hey. I say what tabang, hey. Since 2003.
Oh, man.
Fike. I think I'm
Okay.
so hungry.
Hey, boy, let's put us on a slow roll, boy. Let's go. Budget Airliner.
Let me try. Oh, budget airliner. Let's go.
What the foos?
This will be perfect. Okay, so this budget airline wants to remove all the seats from its planes and make passengers stand. For a flight to Durban, that's cool. They have like Durban, boy. It's like you sit down. Welcome to Kulula flight and welcome to King Shaka. Whoa! Whoa! Bitch, can I get some water? I'm thirsty. That's exactly how it happened. You're gonna feel a motherfucking thing. It's like a 50-minute flight.
How much is it though? I would go.
But you have to stand the whole time,
I
bro.
wouldn't mind.
If you look... Oh, man.
If it's like 200, Cape Town.
Isn't it 200 on that other airline? What is it? There's another airline. You know the one I'm talking about. The one where if you come with a bag, they say, whoa, 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 so you get bags too? We said 250 for just you. The bag is another 250. What?
Is this in South Africa?
No, this airline is not in South Africa. Trying to do that. But wait until they hear about it. Like, yeah? So we can take the chairs out. Legally. We can legally. Okay.
You guys can catch us at the Capsule Fest if you don't know already. We're your hosts. These guys over here. We're hosting the damn thing alongside
We're shooting a
Nomuzi.
video of death.
Yeah, we're gonna release some crazy ass
Shooting a
content.
film.
It's going to be used.
Directed by Menzi.
It's gonna be like an Arcadium.
Woohoo!
Say the right name, brother. You don't know me.
An Arcadium.
What? Did you say in Arcadium?
No. I said. I said.
He's gonna edit you out the whole video, man. Every time you talk.
Literally right there.
An Arcadium.
Yeah.
Better say it, right?
Yeah, it's gonna be lit, guys. Make sure you get your tickets.
16th September, Mary Fitzgerald Square.
Yeah.
I'm not looking at ticket.
Ticket
Sports scene. Sports scene.
Yeah.
Say it again. Capsule Fest. Featuring Nasty C and
ASAP
Ferg.
Cape Town this Friday, right?
Yeah.
This Friday.
And Sunday. We're leaving on Saturday, but we're back on Sunday.
Yeah. Okay, actually, Cape Town Friday and this Sunday.
Yeah.
Isukile. Easy guy. Yeah, sir. And that place. Yo, uzawujayiva Sipho. Hey, madoda. Awuzazi boy.
Yeah.
Uzabona imoto zithi. Yazi abeXhosa.
Why?
Thixo. Mamela Sipho uzazibona umkofa. Hey! Oh, Sipho. Then Sunday. Jane, you.
No.
Hey, my daughter. Uzayibona iTV.
You know, just a special mention before we go into Holiday Week. When Casper came here, he quote unquote took us to the top floor with the Holiday of the Week, and now we can't go back. So,
with that being said,
just pick someone in American.
No. Until gave us one.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, until gave us one.
Oh yes.
Yeah. So today's Holiday of the Week is sponsored by Until.
Yeah.
It is Lady G. Hey, you know the girls in the aesthetic ones, boy. Yeah. Hey, she's traveling, boy.
You know this is that aesthetic. You can just put your friends on the type of. Yeah. My friend was chilling last night. What's that poster? You know, deep down, you know.
We're a champion. You.
Yes.
Woo-wee. Oh, Middle Center.
Yes. Kamuna. You think she woke up like this or maybe for the shoot? It's a photo shoot, this one.
Just
Casually lying on my white fox.
is that word in the dictionary?
Yeah, white folks.
What? He literally just gave it to you. Aesthetic game. Hey, Whoopi, go to the next picture. Yes, please. How did you get here also? Ma'am. I'm just speaking management.
Yes, her Instagram is so clean.
You guys are literally just staring at me.
Oh, who's that guy?
Who's that guy?
Who's that guy? Sunak.
Yeah. What the fuck, man?
The chef's
7-course dinner. Oh,
Anniversary, hashtag.
But I mean, she's in Amsterdam.
She comes back all the time, bruh.
There's no jabus and chepos there. It was only a matter of time.
7 course drinking Ace of Spades. She was never yours.
We're not even talking about it.
And SSB is that drink you told me about that other week.
Yeah. 16,000.
Just call it drink. I can call it drink.
Shout out to Until. We see you guys doing big things. What?
Shout out to King, yo.
Actually, today, when the episode drops.
Yeah, you must go
today,
check out
Fake Friday. Yeah, make sure you check it out. What?
the real Fake Friday.
I see what you did there. Yeah, pew.
My gun stay loaded. Stay loaded. More special guests on the way.
Yes, a lot of them.
You're going to like it.
Merchandise, make sure you get it on the website www.microwaveboys.co.za.
Follow me, Sipo_says.
Follow me at Levin JDs.
Follow this guy, so he's done chewing. He'll tell you what to do. Microwave Boys episode 21. We back.
Yeah,
bitch.
we out. Make sure Facebook. Yes. Instagram. Yes. Twitter. What's up? We out.
This ain't a love song. We just fucking shit down. Hey, what the fuck? See, I'm a nice guy. Sometimes I just feel like fucking shit up. So tonight, I'm fucking shit up, man. I don't know why y'all so surprised that we get down like this.